One way to gauge the health of the fish, in addition to measuring pH, EC, temperature, is how hungry they are at feeding time. Now, a couple of days ago, I drained and I refilled with 184 gallons out of 320. And the pH went from like 5.4 to almost 6.9. Of course, tilapia, nice thing about them is that they're tolerant of this. But now let's do a test and see if they are hungry, if they're gonna eat actively or not. You see, you can hear them. You can hear the splashing. You see that? They are eating. That tells me they are happy, they are hungry. Because if the temperature is too low, if the pH is too much above, let's say 7, 8, or very low, I call it they have a tummy ache and they don't eat well. So they are eating well. That's good. Let's try the second one and see here. You see them? They are okay. So that's another way to tell how healthy your fish are. And if in 10-15 minutes all this is not gone, then something is wrong. Some ate, are happy, and some, are not very happy. And I suggest you remove the excess feed because you don't want it to, eventually get too wet and sink to the bottom and potentially clog your filters or whatever. So they're eating, but now I see they stopped eating. So they are still not very happy. Okay, so I would see they stopped eating. Usually they keep eating until all of this gone. So they're halfway. Some happy, some not happy. But be patient, remove that extra feed, and then by tomorrow they will eat more. Okay?